All right, so the tool we're going to talk about today is called Thinglink. Thinglink is a tool that allows you to take an image and kind of create activities and annotations and just basically link stuff to a picture. So as students explore a picture, they can kind of explore a topic or a subject. So in order to get there, just thinglink.com, or you can just search Thinglink. It'll take you to this website here. And you'll want to log in unless you don't have an account. Then you'll want to get started, create an account. I'm going to log in, and you can create an account with Google, which is nice, Twitter or Facebook, or of course you can create your own with an email address. I'm going to log in with my Google account. All right, so we are here at the Thinglink homepage. So from the homepage, you will want to start. Well, the first thing we should do is just kind of look at some examples. So we're in the Explore tab, but if you go over here to where it says Featured, you can look at some of the things that people have created before. So let's look at this one for the Silk Road. This way you get an example of what a Thinglink is. So you see how you have this picture, and it has these basically like points of interest annotated over the top. So like if I go over here to Arabia and I put my mouse over that, it's going to say, okay, infographic, mapping Silk Road Initiative, all this, stuff. All these are going to have other media attached to them. So here's one from Pakistan, and it's got a link to a video. Or the One Belt, One Road initiative. So then students would have a link to this SoundCloud clip. Here's a video. It's the oldest overland trade route in the world. So China has video. Over here we have a link to an article. So you click on that and it will take you to the linked article. So Thinglink is a way to take an image like this and basically create a bunch of links to other things, and it's a way that you can just kind of start building some background with students on a topic or on a subject. So yeah, so that's all. That's basically what a Thinglink can do. If you want to get started with this, it's a good idea to figure out how to get your students on here. You do have the Students tab up here at the top. And if you want to start adding students, that's pretty simple to do that. If you go over here to where it says groups, you can actually create a group code. I don't have any students in here, obviously, because I don't have a class right now. But if I want to add students, if I go to here where my group is, and I go to invite, this will give me a code, and then I'll give this code, and I'll go send it out to my students, and it's just like if they use a Google Classroom or whatever, and you give them a code, they go to Thinglink for students, they put in the code, and then they'll pop up in your class down here. So it's pretty simple to get a student, and in fact, let's take a look at what that would look like. So to get your students to register, basically they would just go to, thinglink.com/register. And if they go in there, they just fill all this stuff out. They say that they're a student, and then they sign up, and then they just have to have that code, and it's really easy for them to get started getting connected to your class. Of course, you don't have to, do that. You can share links publicly. So if you don't necessarily want to get your kids on here, you don't have to. So yeah, that's basically how, that's what a Thinglink is, and that's how you can get it shared out with students. In the next lesson, we will talk about actually getting in here and creating Thinglinks of our own.